Today, our ministry, some problem what we have facing from last several years. Today, Honorable Chief Minister has given the time with our officials and state government officials under the leadership of Chief Minister. We have a lengthy discussion to sort out several issues, particularly the expansion of Rourkela steel plant for 9.5 million ton. For that, some hurdles of regarding the land issues. All those things, Chief Minister has given the direction to their officials. Immediately take all necessary action to that issue. Particularly our Minister, Jivu Ramji, he is the main person to lead this, to solve all those problems. He has taken personal interest. We had meeting in Delhi in our office. After that, actually, we formed a committee. Through that committee, everything issues, it is a solve actually. Then Chief Minister today responded very well. I am very grateful to him. Future, the Honorable Prime Minister's what vision is there about the production of steel, the steel production. In that, actually, we are moving.
So, apart from RCC, how do you see the potential of steel production in Odisha, which is the capital of 100 million?
Yeah, in that, actually, major contribution will be from Rourkela, sale only. Steel Authority of India, under their organization, actually, our Rourkela steel plant, it will going to enhance for 9.5 million ton.
So besides this, there are several private houses also like Jindal Steel, Smithfield Steel and others. So how is government supporting
Present our government encouraging to strengthen the steel ministry. Not only the ministry, several private stakeholders who are contributing in a big way for the production of steel. For that, actually, central government giving all cooperation, even for private and PSU